Okay, this is the Printrbot doing a test print, just a little square with some ears on it for bolt holes, not for any purpose in particular, just wanted to see how well it would do. See a little circle I printed here just a little bit earlier. The only problem I had was the belt had loosened up on me once and I had to tighten that back up. I have an earlier print of this same object here that came out pretty poor because of that, but after I tightened that up, everything worked much better. Also did some calibration checks with my gauge there just to make sure that everything was, the steps were set correctly per millimeter, and everything was within about 0.1 millimeter, which I think is probably about as good as I can really expect with this setup. And then this is the software that I'm using here. It's just it's called Printer Interface, and that actually sends out the G-code to the printer. So that's just a quick view of the Printrbot in operation. Overall, it seems to be working pretty well. I did have a few issues with the assembly instructions and some of the rough fitting parts. I think the quality control could have been a little bit better, but hopefully the people over at Printrbot will get those issues addressed, and it'll be not quite as frustrating an assembly experience as it was for me.